and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below, as well as hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on. As well as be sure to check out our membership tiers. We've got some great perks on there for our members, so be sure to take a look when you get a chance, as well as our merch store. All right, so it is that day of the week. Happy Thursday, everybody. We are going to be going through our lookbook for Supreme Week 8. This is a big, heavy week because of the spring tees that launched. So I'm going to be going through basically all of the items I was able to pick up in store. Then we're going to talk about how these items are doing resale-wise to conclude the video. This morning, I only went for one item just because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to cop it in store, and that is the Anna-Nicole Smith tee. I really wanted it in that cream kind of natural colorway. That sold out within seconds, but I was able to cop one in that lemon colorway. So I will definitely be showing you guys that when I get that in. Other than that, let's jump into what I was able to manage to get in store today. So first up, we are going to start with the FTP Arc hooded sweatshirt, and this is in the navy colorway, but what's crazy is it kind of looks purple in different lights, and then it looks like navy. Let's hold them actually next to my navy shoes here so you guys can kind of see. Like, it does have like a hint of purple, but at other moments it does kind of look navy. This is in a size medium. It retailed for $158. They did do a great job with the embroidery on this. It's definitely quality. And one of the things that I noticed is lots of Supreme hoodies typically are not really broken in. They feel extremely stiff. This actually feels more vintage-like. It's definitely got more movement in it, as well as the fleece inside is actually much softer. So I'm actually a really big fan of the quality of this hoodie. It's just way more comfortable than most of my Supreme hoodies I've gotten in the past felt like. So definitely nice. Again, this is size medium. I do have kind of long limbs, so sometimes I do like to just kind of wear it in a baggier fit. For those of you guys who are wondering my height, I am 5'10". So that will reflect on what size you end up going with. If you guys do ever have any questions on sizing for Supreme, I do have a video, so be sure to go and check that video out if you are not sure what sizing you are in Supreme. All right, so let's get into some of the tees. This was a heavy week and we do have a lot of tees to go through. So let's start actually with I got this in the heather gray colorway, and I think it looks great, actually. It's very subtle, the you know, smoke of the candle. Definitely high quality in the imagery here. We do have that little tiny Supreme box logo on the back, but I do like the landscape of the colors. It really actually looks like somebody painted this or hand painted this onto the t-shirt. So I think they did a good job with that. And I got this in a size medium, for those of you who are wondering what size this is. All right, so next up, this is the Dunk tee, and this was $38. So again, this kind of reminds me for some reason of my sailboat tee. Again, it looks like it's been painted. It's kind of got that same text as well, where it kind of looks like a kid painted this, but I like it. It's got the dolphins. I got it in the red colorway, and I think the red actually goes really well just because it makes these colors really just pop off of the backdrop of the red coloring scheme. Nice little palm tree there. And the just for you guys to know, that was $44, so a little bit pricier than the Dunk tee. All right, now we have our toy pile tee here, and I got this in the black colorway. I really like it in the black just because all of the toys really do stand out, and it's kind of crazy looking at all the toys that they actually put together to spell out Supreme. It's like really even hard for me to hold it out. I'm gonna have to hold it out this way for you guys to see the full thing, but it's very detailed. I think it's really cool. It kind of gives us more commie effect too, but it's really neat. Let's get up and close so you guys can kind of see in detail all the toys that make up the Supreme lettering there. And this retailed at $38. Again, I wore this in a size medium. Right, next up we have the Miles Davis tee, and this one was a little bit on the pricier end as well. This was $44, but I am a huge fan of Miles Davis, so I was really excited to cop this in this black colorway. I think that the yellow really just pops off the black quite nicely, and he's playing the trumpet there. I've got some vinyl that I love listening to, so I'm probably gonna be rocking this shirt while I'm listening to him play on my vinyl. But it says Supreme / Miles Davis in tiny little letters on the bottom there. And yeah, this is a great color scheme. All right, and last but not least, we have the Apes tee, and we got some apes carrying a couple things. They're carrying all the letters, which is really cool. We've got one carrying a skull here. The last little guy here with the R is carrying the flame with a bone, and the first one's carrying a massive bone. So let's just show that up close so you guys can see the detail. But I do like it on black colorway. I think it actually just really makes the white print pop, especially with that flame. It's like they're walking in the dark. And this was $38. Again, this is in a size medium. All right, so now let's get to the last few pieces that I picked up in store. I actually was really excited about this bag. It is the material, by the way, of, the sling is the material of a IKEA bag. I mean, the quality is definitely not high in any sense, which the price point, let me just double check. It was $38 for this bandana tarp bag. It does say tarp, and literally it is tarp. We do have that small subtle Supreme logo on the back, but we do have the box on the front, and this is definitely like a cotton material that they sewed onto the tarp fabric. This is definitely going to be waterproof, which I'm really excited about since today was extremely rainy. I'm like, I am in need of a purse to wear. There's no pockets inside, nothing too exciting on the inside, but you know, it's definitely a great, I feel like, bag that you can walk around when you're hiking. You can get this thing dirty, you can get it wet, and your stuff is going to stay dry on the inside of it. But definitely some crunchy material. I do love that bandana print that they have on it. It's nice and glistening off my lights here. And it's just a great lightweight crossbody bag. I'm gonna put a lot of crap in there. All right, so last but not least, I was able to pick up a deck, and this is the colorway that I got. It actually matches my tee, which I'm excited about, so I can kind of wear both. But that's just such a great, bold, vibrant print there. All right, so that is it for my pickups for today. I hope you guys took some W's.
I've been coming up hot for a minute. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so yo. Everybody know I'm you know when the click through to the system is about to be a so big fun. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so yo. Everybody know I'm on. You know when the click through to the system is supposed to be a I've been coming up hot for a minute. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so yo. Everybody you know when to click through to the send is about to be a so big fun.
Go through quickly and talk about some of the times for the US, see what sold out the fastest time-wise. So definitely, as you guys know, the Anna-Nicole Smith tees just flew, especially in that XXL. That was 8 seconds. The extra large in natural sold in 8.5, followed by the toy pile tee in that XXL. XXL just seems to be like the size to go to right now. They are selling out quite fast. The red XXL sold in 12 seconds, followed by the toy pile tee in small. Then the light pink in a small went in 12.7 seconds. Then the XXL in white, followed by that medium in the cream colorway in 13 seconds. So yeah, it looks like the Anna-Nicole Smith did quite well. The toy pile tees did quite well. Had some dunk tees after that, and then the FTP arc hooded sweatshirts in the XXL and the light pink went in 23 seconds, followed by the brown XXL in 23.7 as well. So those are your top items that flew off the shelves today. All right, so now let's get into resale and talk about how these items are currently doing on the resale market. So if you were unable to cop them, you may be able to get some of these items close to or maybe a little over the price that they retailed at. So let's start out with the FTP Arc hooded sweatshirt. So this is going for around 200 up in the navy, or 210 to 300 for the navy, depending on size. All other colors are 200 and up except for the gray. The gray is doing a little bit worse, a little bit lower than $200. Then the Miles Davis tee, which retailed at $44, is going around $90 and up, obviously depending on color and size. The Miles Davis deck, which retailed at $60, is going around $90 for resale. Then we've got the dunk tee, which retailed at $38. That's going for $100 and up for the red colorway that I have. The tarp side bag, which retailed at $38, is going around $50 to $85. The Anna-Nicole tee is going $90 and up currently. And that retailed for $48. And the Apes tee was $38. That's going between $60 to $100, depending again on size and color. And then the toy pile tee, which retailed at $38, is going between $75 to $100. I will say one thing with tees as we are getting into the summer months. Obviously, the price points are going to dip and change as people start to get their tees in the mail. But definitely see these prices going back up when summer comes around. I've seen this as a current trend. So definitely, if you see a good price on this, I would not wait till the summertime because it actually may spike a little bit. All right, you guys, thanks so much again for tuning in to another one of my Supreme lookbooks. If you guys have any questions about any of the items that I picked up, or if you want to just give me a shout out on items that you got W's on, be sure to hit me in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe. Also, if you haven't hit the like button, hit that right now, as well as hit the notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out our membership tiers. We've got some great perks on there for our members, as well as an amazing merch store. All right, everyone, until next time, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.